Huh?
Should I get my camera out too?
Here we go. Here we go.
Savor it.
Do it again, Barry.
Look at the eyes flutter.
Ah! Ah!
Yum, yum, yum.
Do you think if a baby, that's how they were fed to begin with?
Use a napkin. Toss your napkin down there, Jack.
There's your napkin.
His little eyebrows gonna be red.
From.
Where he just bonked his head.
Okay, do it again, Matt.
You want some more?
Move the napkin, will you?
Move the napkin, Jack.
Here you go. You want some more? Ah.
That's a beautiful smile.
Oh, that's just great, isn't it?
Ah. Say it.
Ah.
Say ah.
Full of potatoes and whipped cream, huh?
Yeah.
Just white and yellow food.
Look. You just smiled.
Can you just imagine another 20 years if you drink that thing of scotch like that?
We'll be showing this at your
Is that thing takes
rehearsal
out
dinner.
tape? I mean,
Yeah.
a bit.
Just put your feet up like that.
That's right.
There we go. Why make things so difficult? Here you go.
That records voices too,
There
huh?
You can
There
take,
go.
you know, when you take him for a haircut, you can do that.
Well,
Matthew.
it's a bottle.
He's just drinking a bottle of Ready Whip. You know, what if he said, and Dad, they make chocolate now too?
Once it's surprising, get some
Have
chocolate
you seen,
sometime.
have you
Color
seen that?
tips.
They do?
Color tips.
What does that do? Colored whipped
You
cream?
put them on the end of those and it frosts at the edges. It's red or green or blue or
Aww. Aww.
Look at that smile. Look.
it's an attachment you put on the end.
Well, you gotta lay down. Come on, you gotta lay down.
Anybody got milk? Do you see there's some guy, we see this car, I see it from time to time, it's a big Suburban.